let's start today's topic, that is spherical lenses. All of you must have seen some classmates that are students studying in your class that they use spectacles for reading purpose due to loss of vision. You must have seen some watchmakers that uses glasses so as to see tiny parts of a watch. Similarly, a palmist that reads the lines of a hand, of a palm, he also uses a lens, a glass. So these are certain examples of lens, that is transparent glass, that is bounded by two spherical surfaces. So how can you define lens? Lens is a transparent glass surface. It means it is a surface that is transparent in nature, made up of glass. But its speciality, that is, it is bounded by two spherical surfaces. Sometimes it is having one plane plus one spherical surface. So dear, how can you define lens? Lens is a transparent material bounded by at least one spherical surface. At least means one must be spherical. Two may be, but one must be spherical surface. As you have learned that working of mirror, that was based on reflection phenomena. Similarly, working of lens, it is based on the phenomena of refraction. As you have seen, when light passes through a glass slab, its refraction takes place twice, two times. One from air to glass and then from glass to air. Similarly, when light rays pass through a lens, two times refraction takes place. Two times reflection takes place. Okay, so you have come to know lens and its use in our daily life, just like I have told you about vision improvement, and you must have seen a palmist that reads the line of a hand. These are certain uses of lens. So let's learn how many types of lenses are there. Now let's start types of lens. There are mainly two types of lens. First is convex lens and the second one is concave lens. So what is convex lens? It is a lens which is having bulb in the middle. Bulb means moving out, extending in outward direction. Bulb in middle. So it is known as convex lens, which is thicker at center and comparatively thinner at edges. At edges it is thinner but thicker at the center. It is bounded by two spherical surfaces P and Q. If I draw a line passing through its center, both the surfaces are bulging out, so it is known as biconvex lens. But in spite of using biconvex lens, we mostly call it convex lens. So what is convex lens? bulk in middle, or we may call it thick at center and comparatively thinner at edges. So what about concave lens? Concave lens is also having two spherical surfaces P dash and Q dash. But in spite of moving out, it is having depression in the middle. It means it is having depression in middle. Due to depression, it is thin at center, and comparatively it is thicker at edges. So it is our concave lens. If I draw a line here, this surface is depressing in inward direction. Same, if I draw here, this surface is again depressing in inward direction. What does it mean? Both the surfaces are depressing in inward direction. It is known as biconcave lens. But in spite of calling it biconcave lens, we usually call it simple concave lens. Now, how many types of convex lens are there? There are three types of convex lens. Number one is biconvex lens. Second one is plano-convex lens. And at last, concavo-convex lens. In biconvex lens, both the surfaces are bulging out. It is convex lens simply. Plano-convex lens, first surface is a plane and second surface is bulging out. It is plano-convex lens. And at last, concavo-convex lens. Starting from a point, because it is thinner at the edges, starting from a point. First is concavo. Concavo means going inward, depression in inward. Second surface is from the same point but convex. Convex means bulging out. So it is a type of concavo-convex lens in which first surface is going inward, it means concave, but second surface is convex. Now similarly, there are three types of concave lens. Okay, so I am mentioning here types of concave lens. First one is biconcave lens. As the name is indicating, both the surfaces are concave, going inward, depressing in inward direction. Due to depression in inward direction, both the surfaces are concave, so termed as biconcave lens. Next is plano-concave lens. First surface is plane, but it is a concave type. It means thicker at edges. Plano-concave lens, thicker at edges. Second surface is concave, so depression in inward direction. So it is plane, it is concave, so it is known as plano-concave lens. And at last, that is convexo-concave lens. Convexo, first surface is convex. Convex means going in outward direction, bulging in outward direction. Concavo, depression in the middle. So it is a type of convexo-concave lens. So what is the difference between concavo-convex and convexo? It is thin at edges, it is thick at edges. Here first surface is concave, second is convex. So it is concavo-convex. It is convexo-concave. So these are types of lenses. So in next video, I will teach you basic terms that are dealing with lens. So be with me so as to learn more about the lenses. Goodbye.